All right, so I'm going to show you how to connect two Xiaomi Sound Pocket speakers in a stereo party or stereo pairing. So what you need to do is, first of all, connect your first speaker to your phone. You can see this one is already connected and ready to go, and it's working. Now what you need to do is grab the other speaker. Now unfortunately I only have one speaker, but I can still show you. So I'm going to assume this is my second Xiaomi Sound Pocket. So what you need to do is go to this speaker, turn it on, and put it in Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing on the Bluetooth button. And when that light on this second speaker is blinking rapidly, you know it's in pairing mode. Then now you want to go to the first speaker, which was already paired to the phone, and then you want to long press on the Bluetooth button until you hear the sound. Once you hear that sound, this speaker is going to look for another Xiaomi Sound Pocket, which is in pairing mode, and then they're going to link up and connect in a stereo pairing. That's how you do it. All right. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching and good luck.